This is the user manual for Webxl Android app. If you install Webxl app in your Android phone, you will see one icon with Webxl. You click on that icon, you will see one blank empty sheet. In the top, you will see the first text box. This is used for navigation purpose. The second text box is used for data entry purpose. Then the go button is used for similar to enter button in your keyboard. So now go to the navigation panel, then click on this cell. Then you enter some data here. Give some number 10, then press on go. Then you click on this, then give some number 20, then go. Now here you give some formula equal to, click on the first cell, then click on plus, then click on the 2,1 second cell, then go button. Now 30 has come, you click on that 30, you will see the formula 1,1 plus 2,1. Then similarly we will do some subtraction work. Click on that cell, you give some value, then go, then here you give some value 20, here you will do some subtraction, this minus, then go button. By 1,3 minus 2,2, that is from this cell to upper cell. If you want to change, you can change. Click on the 50, then minus, then 20, go. So now 50 minus 20, you click on that 1,2 minus 2,2. This is minus. Then we will do some multiplication here. So give some fraction number. Okay. Then here you give some number, then go. Here give equal to sign, then click on that, then you give multiplication star, then click on 3, then go. So this is multiplication. Now we will go do some division work. Give 100. Here I will give some 2.75 and go. Here I will do some division equal to this one, then divided by 2.75, then press go. So now I have done some basic operations, calculations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now I will save this spreadsheet in some name. Click on file, then click on save. Here enter file name. You can give any name with extension or without extension. I will give as example 1. Okay. Save. File saved successfully. Now this file contents are saved in internal memory of the phone. Now if you want to open this save, you have saved this, you click on new button, then click on file. If you click on open, you click on this button, example 1 you see here, then click open. Now your file is open. Now you can save the contents of this file in external folders also. For that you click on file, then click on save as. You click on select and copy button. The contents of the file is here. They all are selected and copied to the clipboard. Now you close this. Then you can click on new button. Now I want to contents of this text in open as. You click on open as, then click on this text area, you paste the contents, then click on OK. Your file is open. Then if you want to print this means click on print. So menus will be go over, you move your sheet whatever you want your position, then click on print screen. So print screen, your screen is saved. Then click on the sheet, once again your menus will come. Then you want some delete operation. If you want to delete some files means you click on this delete. Only we have created example one. I don't want this and the other files means I can click one file at a time, then delete. Then you click on file new, then click on open. If you want to see the list of files, your deleted file will not be seen in this screen. Now click on example one, then open. Now we will do some other calculation using fx formula bar. Click on this fx button. The formula bar will be open here. Now click on cell, it is 4,1. Now you click on this, then click on equal to, then sum, then click on that 10, then click on then 30, then click on go. Now the sum of the column 60 is put here. Now close this formula bar. Now I want to copy this formula, that is sum 1,1, that is sum of the column has to be copied to some other places. So click on this copy, then click on this place, then click on range, then click on this place, then you click on paste. You see now all the column sum is put here. You click on this, the formula is there. You click on this, the formula is there. You click on this, the formula is there. Now you have pasted with the formulas. Now if you want to paste only values, not that formula means you click on some other cell, you click on paste V, that is paste value. You see only 60 is there. This is you copied only 60 value, so that is why here it is 60 only is there. This paste will work for copying with formula. This paste PV will be used for pasting values only, not the formulas. So suppose if you want to delete the contents of this cell means you click on this, then click on this delete button. The contents of the cell will be deleted. So these are all the major functions. Now here you see FMT. So you click on this cell. Here the format is 4 with 4 decimal places. If you want to reduce it into 2 decimal places, you click on this FMT, then click on this, you give number as 2, then click on OK. It is round off to 2 decimal places. You can format this also, format, then click OK, 2 decimal places. It is round off to 2 decimal places. Now you can save this file. You click on save. Says example. I give it as 2. Okay, save some name. Now this is saved. Now we will do some other mathematical functions. Suppose here it is, we give some angle, that is some 45 degrees. Okay, you click on this, enter, then you go to this cell. You want to convert this value is degrees into radians. So for that, in that fx bar, DTOR is there. So you give equal to sign. Every formula has to use equal to sign first, then D2R, then click on this value, then click on go button. So now this value is radians, degrees to radians converted. Then I want to calculate tan of this angle. So click on this cell, then put on equal to, then click on this tan, then click on this cell, then go. So tan 45 is 1. First it is converted into radians in this formula, degrees to radians. Then from that radians it is converted into tan value. So you can do both combined also. For that, give equal to, then first you want tan, then here inside the value you want to convert it to R, then click on this 45, then give go button. Here you combined both the functions, that is math tan, inside that you give d to R, then this value, so 1 is there. Similarly you can do, suppose you change the value, suppose you want to change this 45 into 30, then could go. So now here for 30 degrees converted into radians, this value, this is converted the value of tan of that value, this is tangent tan of this value combined. All the formulas are reversed with reversed values. So this similarly cos, sin, tan, a cos, a sin, there is arc cos, arc sin, arc tangent, square root, POW. We will see some square root function. Okay, so let us have some number here, 45. Okay, go. I want square root of this here. You put it from the formula equal to sign, then click on square root, then this value, then go button. So this is the square root of this 45. You can use power also. So here you click POW. First you have to give equal to sign. Here you give equal to sign, then go to this. Here is one small arrow keys for left movement. So center, you place it in center, math dot power, this value, then give comma. Comma is also in this box. Then you give 2. Then go. See 45.999. So if you square this value should come, this is coming to 44.999. If you format this to 0 decimal places, you close this, you give it as 0 decimal places and click OK. 45 is there. So here. So we have seen these formulas also. Then this is rounding off also, arc, sin, tangent, power, then absolute value. This is, if you have minus sign, means that will be converted into plus sign. Suppose you want this to be minus sign, means put one minus here. Okay, so here it is minus 45. You want absolute value of this, means you put equal to, then ABS, you click on this, then go. Yes, 44.99. That is the absolute value. If you format it to 2 decimal places, it will be okay. 45. This is for absolute value. Then round off. Suppose some of the decimal place, here it is 7.12. So you want to convert it into round off this. So for that, equal to, you click on some other cell, you first navigation bar, then you go here, you click on equal to math.round, you put this value, then go. This is 7. The 6.70 is rounded off to this value. This is round off function. Then these brackets are all used for typing purpose. Then you can want pi value, you click on this equal to and then pi. You click, your pi value will be shown here. Then suppose in converting values, radians to degrees may be necessary. So for that, here it is radians. You want to convert it into degrees. For that, you use this. That is, first click on this, then click on this place, then equal to R to D, that is radians to degrees of this value, then go. So this is 30 degrees. So this is converted in the D to R and R to D are used for the purpose of converting degree to radians and radians to degrees. Then next is this max formula. If you want maximum of 30 or 45, you can put equal to, you click on max, then this value you put comma, and then minimum value, some other value, then go. Here you will get maximum of two values, that is 30 and 45. If you here you type some other value, reduce this value into 25, then click on go. Here the formula is changed. So same formula, but this value is reduced, so this value is more, so it's giving 30 as my maximum value. Similarly, you can find minimum value also. Here you click on here, then here you put equal to minimum of these two values, this and then comma, then this, go. So minimum minimum of these two values will be shown here. Then dollar symbol, this is for used for formulas. Suppose here the formula is some 1, 1, 3, 1. If I copy this formula to some other place, here this is copied, but the values are changed. 1, 1 has become 1, 2 and 3, 2. Suppose some fixed we want means, you can use as dollar symbol. In that place I put here, before 1 you give one dollar symbol. Okay, then before 1 also you can move with the arrow keys also. This arrow keys, then once again dollar symbol, then you can go left, then dollar symbol, then go right, then dollar symbol, then give go. So this is absolute formula, this with dollar symbols. Then if you copy this and paste in any place with formula, you will give the same value, because this is, if you give dollar symbols, this is absolute locations, so this will give the same value. If you paste some other place, there also same values will be displayed. Now you can save this sheet also. Save example 3. Save. Now let us see how to use if function in the formula bar. Okay, here I will put equal to this less than or equal to this, go. Here you see 1, because 13.2 is less than or equal to 13.4 is less than or equal to 13.2. It is true because both are equal. Suppose if something is changed, if the 60 is changed, you see, yes, 70. You put, then go. Here what is happening? 13.4 is less than, here now it is also true. The 60 value is less than this 70 value. So it is true, that is why it is giving 1. Now I will change this 70 as 50. Then go, here it is 0. So it means if this is if one condition is true, means it will give 1 as result. If the condition is false, means it will give 0 as result. So with this result we can do some if calculations. So you put it here, if, here put if, you go to left arrow keys, then right arrow key. This bracket is not necessary here. Then we will go to right by one by one. This is condition closing bracket we have to give. So this is bracket close. Then we will give, suppose if the condition is true, write here the maximum value. Okay, for that I will give this squirrel brackets. Then value is 13.4 is less than 13.2. Give the value of this 60. Okay, if this is false, means what you give, that you have to do. Then in this you put this, then you give this value. Okay, here you write it as else. Then go. You see, if the condition is false, it gives the lesser value. Suppose if this is 40, what is happening? We will see. Instead of 50, you give it as 70. Go. Here it is 60. So in that way you can use the if condition. Then how to use for? For this is used for sum of numbers. Okay, without, we want sum of numbers. Okay, equal to, first you give one condition, that is NA equal to 0. Then 0, then semicolon, just like programming language. Then give for you give it as Ni equal to 1 semicolon, then Ni less than or equal to 10 semicolon, Ni plus plus. Then you go right side of that bracket, then give squirrel bracket. Within the squirrel brackets you write as Na plus equal to Ni, then semicolon. Then you put go. This is the sum of 1 to 10. Suppose if you want to give some cell values, you can give cell values also. Here you give 1. We want to sum of 1 to 70. Okay, For that init formula you edit equal to 1 instead of equal to 1 there you put it as this value, that is cell value you put, that is 12,2. Then ni less than or equal to you click on this 70 cell. Now you go there, that is 13,2 ni plus you push go. So here this is the sum of 1 to 70. So this way also for can be used. Now you can save this file also. Click on save, close this. Example 3, if you click on this same save button, that example 3 file will be updated and saved. So okay, this is almost maximum procedures involved in this spreadsheet. I have explained. Use this in this method and use this app. Okay, thank you.